If you don't like spending a fortune but still want smooth gaming and editing, then try this budget build. First up, skip the flashy RGB. That money's better spent on power, not pretty lights. Grab a Ryzen 5 or Intel i5 CPU, the sweet spot for price and performance. Pair it with 16 gigs of RAM, trust me, your games and edits will thank you. For graphics, hunt for a used GTX 1660 or Radeon RX 6600. They crush 1080p gaming without crushing your bank account. Storage? Get a 500 GB SSD for speedy boots, and a cheap hard drive for your big files. Don't overthink the motherboard, just make sure it fits your CPU and has enough ports for your gear. Power supply? Aim for 500 watts from a good brand. And case? Go simple, nobody cares what it looks like once it's under your desk. Bonus tip, check out refurbished parts, and always buy from sellers with good reviews. Build smart, save cash, and enjoy epic gaming and editing. All without eating instant noodles for a month. Hit like for more budget builds.